Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Vlog and Math Tutorial. For today, we are going to learn divisibility rules 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With our previous discussion, you have learned divisibility rules 2, 3, 4, and 5. For today, we are going to discuss more of divisibility rules 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What are the objectives of this lesson? Number 1, discuss divisibility rules. Number 2, determine if numbers are divisible by 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Number 3, explain the importance of divisibility rules. Let's start. Always remember, there's no failure except in no longer trying, according to Albert Hubbard. Again, there's no failure except in no longer trying. What is divisibility rules? Divisibility rules are guidelines that help students understand what numbers can be divided evenly without a remainder. Let's start. Let's try to identify or determine numbers divisible by 6. What is the general rule with numbers divisible by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That means if the number ends with even number, that means it is divisible by 2. And if the sum of the digits of a certain number is divisible by 3, then that is divisible by 3. If that satisfies the given, that means it is divisible by 6. Let's have an example. 636. As we all know, 636 ends with number 6, which is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Then let's now try to identify if it is divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits. 6 plus 3 plus 6, that is 15. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. 636 is both divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Another example, 312. 312 ends with 2, and 2 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. And let's try to identify if it is divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. That means 312 is divisible by both 2 and 3, and therefore it is divisible by 6. Very good. C, 432. 432 ends with 2, and 2 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. And let's now try to identify if it is divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits of the number. 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. Then 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Therefore, 432 is divisible by 2 because the number ends with even number, and it is divisible by 3 because the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Therefore, 432 is divisible by 6. Let's practice. Determine if the given numbers are divisible by 6. 363. Is 363 divisible by 2? It is not because it ends with odd number. It is divisible by 3 because when you add all the digits, that is 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is 12. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. But it is not divisible by 2. That means it is not divisible by 6. Another example, 252. 252 ends with even number, and that means it is divisible by 2. Then let's now try to identify if 252 is divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 2, that is 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2, that is 9. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. 252 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Another one, 666. 666 ends with 6, and 6 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Let's now try to identify if it is divisible by 3. 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 18. Then 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Therefore, 666 is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. How about 513? 513, let's try to identify if it is divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 plus 3, that is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. It is divisible by 3. Let's try to identify also if it is divisible by 2, because we need to follow 2 rules. 513 is not divisible by 2 because it doesn't end with an even number. Therefore, 513 is not divisible by 6. It is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Let's move on. Numbers divisible by 7. How are we going to know if a number is divisible by 7? Here is the rule. A number is divisible by 7 if you double the last digit and subtract it from a number made by the other digits. The result must be divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if you double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining numbers. Then the result must be divisible by 7. Let's try to have an example. 3, 4, 3. We will be trying to get the last digit, that is 3, then twice. 3 multiplied by 2, because if you double the last digit is 3, then times 2, that is 6. Then we will be subtracting 6 from the remaining 2 numbers. 34 minus 6, that is 28. And 28 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 3, 4, 3 is divisible by 7. Another example. 2, 5, 2. We will be getting the twice of the last digit. That is 2 times 2 equals 4. Then we will be subtracting the double of the last digit by the 2 remaining numbers. That is 25 minus 4. That's 21. Then 21 divided by 7, that is 3. Therefore, 252 is divisible by 7. Another example, 665. We will be getting the twice of the last digit, which is 5. 5 times 2, that is 10. Then we will be subtracting 10 from the remaining digits, that is 66 minus 10, that is 56. Then 56 divided by 7, that is 8. Therefore, 665 is divisible by 7. Let's practice. Determine if the numbers are divisible by 7. 512. What is our general rule? Twice the last digit, that is 2 times 2, equals 4. Then we will be subtracting 4 from the remaining digits. That is 51 minus 4, that is 47. Then 47 divided by 7 is equal to 6.71. It is not exact. There is a remainder. That means 512 is not divisible by 7. Another example, 861. So we will be getting the twice of the last digit. So 1 times 2, it's 2. Then we will be subtracting 2 from the remaining digits. That is 86 minus 2. That is 84. Then we divide 84 by 7. Then 84 divided by 7, that is 12. It is exact. Therefore, it is divisible by 7. Another example, 679. What is twice the last digit? Twice of the last digit is 9 times 2, that is 18. Then we will be subtracting 18 from the remaining digits. 67 minus 18, that is 49. And 49 is divisible by 7. Therefore, it is divisible by 7. 679 is divisible by 7. As simple as that. Again, twice the last digit, then subtract the product of the twice of the last digit from the remaining digits. That is divisible by 7 rule. 767. Twice the last digit, that is 7 times 2 is 14. Then we will be subtracting 14 from 76. 76 minus 14 is 62. 62 divided by 7 is 8.86. That means it is not exact. Therefore, it is not divisible by 7. 767 is not divisible by 7. As simple as that. Let's now try to determine numbers divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. As simple as that. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. 1024, what are the last 3 digits? 024. 024 divided by 8 is 3. Therefore, 1024 is divisible by 8. Another example, 2056. So what are the last three digits? 056. So 056 divided by 8, that is 7. It is exact. Therefore, 2056 is divisible by 8. Another one, 2830, 2832. Let's try to get the last three digits. 832 divided by 8, that is 104. It is exact. Therefore, 2832 is divisible by 8. As simple as that. You will know a number if it is divisible by 8 if the last three digits is divisible by 8. Another example. Well, let's practice. Determine if the numbers are divisible by 8. 1112, 1112. 112 is it divisible by 8? Yes, it is. 112 divided by 8 is 14. Therefore, 1112 is divisible by 8. Next one, 8004. What are the last three digits? 004. So 004 divided by 8 is 0.5. It is not exact. That's why 8004 is not divisible by 8. Another one, 3104. What are the last three digits? Very good, 104. 104 divided by 8 is 13. It is exact. Therefore, 3104 is divisible by 8. As simple as that. You will know a number if it is divisible by 8 if the three last digits are divisible by 8. As simple as that. Next one. Numbers divisible by 9. When are you going to know if numbers are divisible by 9? Here is the general rule. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. As simple as that. Just get or find the sum of the digits of the given number. If it is divisible by 9, therefore, it is divisible by 9. That's redundant, but I'll be trying to explain it more. 513. Let's try to add all the digits. 5 plus 1 plus 3, that is 9. Then 9 is divisible by 9, that is 1. Therefore, 513 is divisible by 9. Next, 864. Let's try to add. 8 plus 6 plus 4, that is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 8 divided by 9 is 2. Therefore, 864 is divisible by 9. Next one, 927. Let's find the sum of the given number, of the digits of the given number. 9 plus 2 plus 7, that is 18. Then 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Therefore, 927 is divisible by 9. Next one, 702. Let's add all the digits of the given number. 7 plus 0 plus 2, that is 9. Then 9 divided by 9 is 1. Therefore, 702 is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Let's try. Let's practice. Determine if the given numbers are divisible by 9. There should be S on this part, okay? I'm sorry for that. So 363. Let's try to add all the digits. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 12. And 12 is not divisible by 9. You will get 1.333333. Therefore, it is not divisible by 9. 363 is not divisible by 9. How about 810? Let's add all the digits of 810. 8 plus 1 plus 0 is 9. Then we divide 9 by 9 is 1. Therefore, 810 is divisible by 9. 672. Let's add all the digits of the given number. 6 plus 7 plus 2, that is 15. Then 15 divided by 9 is 1.666. There is remainder, there is decimal point. Therefore, 672 is not divisible by 9. 765. Let's add all the digits. 7 plus 6 plus 5, that is 18. 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Therefore, 765 is divisible by 9. How are we going to know if a number is divisible by 9? We will be adding all the digits of the given number. Then if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, therefore, it is divisible by 9. As simple as that. Let's move on the last part. Numbers divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. As simple as that. If the number ends in 0. Example, 500 ends in 0, divisible by 10. 860 ends in 0, divisible by 10. 920 ends in 0, it ends with 0, divisible by 10. 740 ends in 0, divisible by 10. Let's have a practice. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, it is not divisible by 10 because it doesn't end with 0. 812, no. 670, yes, of course. 820, yes. We will know if a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. As simple as that. Oh, we're finished. It is important for us to know divisibility rules in order for us to know if the numbers are divisible by a certain number without using calculator. That is the importance of studying divisibility rules. It is very easy for us to identify if a number is divisible by a certain number because of divisibility rules. Before I end this tutorial, always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Again, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Thank you for watching and God bless you. This is Sir DL. See you on our next tutorial. God bless you. Bye.